Alright, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to commission a new set of batteries. I've got four 12-volt batteries, and before linking them in series and making it 48 volts or 51.2 depending on how you look at it, I want to make sure that they're all balanced. And in order to do that, what we'll have to do is hook them up in parallel. That means all the red will stick with the red, all the black will stick with the black. I'm going to use these jumper cables. Okay, we're back. We opted not to use the jumper cables because the clamps for the jumper cables were so big that we couldn't really efficiently route all this stuff together. But if you could tell from here, we have the black, well, the negative port, which we have white wires. We don't have black wires, so we're using white wires. So we have the negative, going to negative, going to negative, going to negative. So all of these four batteries are strung together in parallel. And we have the positive going to positive, positive, positive. If you could see that. And just to be absolutely certain that we didn't mess anything up, let's go ahead and test the voltage. 13 volts. So what we're doing now is, even though they're all 13 volts, there may be minor variations between the cells. And what this would do is it'll force them to all balance to one another. But in addition to doing that, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect this car battery charger, which will boost it up to 14.4 volts, which is 100%. And I could just connect the black to any of the black, or any of the, and the red to any of the red, and it'll work. But ideally, what I like to do is put it somewhere towards the middle so they could all share evenly. Okay, now we're back. We have the red going here, and the black going here. And so the nice thing of parallel setup is you can pretty much put them anywhere, but that's how we have it set up. Let's see if that's the most ideal. Yeah, it seems good. And right now it's boosting at 6.2 amps. And 13.9 volts. So it'll keep kicking up until it tops off. And the nice thing about it is all the power is coming from the solar panels right now. So we're not using any utility power. All right, more to come.